Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sabir Hussain, and I'm very happy to introduce you today new bespoke Samsung washing machine. It's come with AI panel, AI eco bubble, and DIT motor, 20-year warranty. DIT motor, it's digital inverter motor. Imagine one washing machine not clean your clothes only, it's understand your habit, your needs, your preference. That is the core AI technology, AI panel. It's been artificial intelligence. That is the power of artificial intelligence. The Samsung latest washing machine is not an ordinary washer. It is designed by intelligent assistants to make your life easier and more efficient. The Samsung latest AI washing machine have a 5 sensor. First, the wash load sensor. The second one, water level sensor. Third one, the third one, fabric sensor. The fourth one, soil sensor. The 5 sensor, the last one, have a detergent sensor. This Samsung machine is all of the Samsung AI technology machine. You can connect with the SmartThing app. Even you have an Android device, if you have an Apple device, doesn't matter. This application available Apple Store, Android Store. You can download that store, that application, and you can control one time connect with this washing machine. You can control this washing machine as far from your home. Even that application gonna help you to control all your Samsung devices which you are using, like a television, speaker, or refrigerator, or whatever you are using. Samsung, you can control even the AC, or you can control your room temperature as far from your home. All the device connected with the one application, your all Samsung devices. And this is the things here. You can set your laundry recipe. You can set your washing end time. So like you're gonna put your clothes here, you're going for duty. When you come back, it's like 9 o'clock. The end time you have to put 9 o'clock. So you can when you reach home, your washing machine will be, your clothes will be ready.